The Bachelor in Technical Vocational Teacher Education major in Food Service Management program is grounded in the belief that the food service industry plays a critical role in the economic, social, and cultural development of the Philippines. Our program is committed to produce competent and effective technical vocational educators who can contribute to the growth and development of this industry by providing quality education, training, seek to foster a culture of excellence, integrity, and responsibility. Value the development of values, ethics, professionalism among our students. The program aims to develop a motivated teacher and technical and vocational education in their area of specialization. The technical vocational curriculum shall impart a body of knowledge, skills, attitude, values, and experiences that will provide prospective grade 9 to 10 TLE teacher, senior high school teacher for textbook livelihood rock, TV trainers, instructors, in faculty members in the higher education institution with necessarily competences essential for effective teaching. Kinani?